91
91
59
59
3300
3300
লেখা আছে তো স্ক্রিপশন বাদে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ লেখা আছে। কি করতেছে প্লিজ ওয়েট
কম্পিউটার করি ভিউজ আছে এখানে
কত কিছু লেখা লাগবে না আই
মানে
এম ইমরান ঠিক আছে
মিটিংয়ের ভিতরে বারবার করা কোথায় গেল হ্যাঁ
এরকম জেগে থাকা উচিত মানে সকালবেলা ওঠা উচিত আগে সকালে আগে উঠবে এটাই নিয়ম নিয়ম করলে শরীরে আমি আগে রাত জাগ এখনো চাই আবার সকাল একই কথা ওই একই কথা হ্যাঁ রাত বেশি থাকলে মনে করেন যে বেশি হার্ডওয়ার্ক করতেছে একদম না সেই ঘুমাইতেছেন সেই দিনের বেলা ঘুমাইতেছেন যখন অন্য মানুষ কাজ করতেছে তার জন্য ওই শরীরের অসুবিধা
Hello everyone. I'm going to start today's class. Door. Hello everyone.
Hello, sir.
Good
Hello.
morning.
Good morning. Very good morning.
I'm going to start today class.
Yes, sir.
I think there are 3 members to join still. The market is not good, but no problem. I will teach you today. So today the class is about seller's area and buyer's area. Strong seller's area and buyer's area. And strong on seller's entry and buyer's entry. From where sellers trying to enter into the market. I will show you some sellers entry points and some buyers entry points. So this is downtrend. This is uptrend. Okay, if you see the uptrend or downtrend, okay, I will explain here. Okay, I will explain here. So if you see the downtrend, sellers will enter. When price goes up, sellers will enter. So you can see when market come to this level, sellers entered, right? This is the seller's entry point at this area. Again, when market again come to this level, or again when market cross this level, sellers will enter. So you can see the seller's entry point here. So this is the previous seller's entry point. Now the sellers entered from this level. Sellers changed their entry point from here to here. Now the seller's entry point is here. This whole area is a seller's area. When market come to this level, sellers will enter. Now this whole area is a seller's area. Again, when market cross this level, again sellers will enter. Sellers change their entry point. They changed their entry point from here to here. Now this is the seller's area. You can see here, this is the seller's area. Again, they changed their seller's entry point from here to here. Now this whole area is a seller's area. When market goes up, when you are seeing the uptrend, sellers always change their entry point from above the previous entry point. So you can see, you can observe here, this is previous seller's entry point. Again they changed their level from here to here. Again they changed their level from here to here. Again they are entering and they are changing their entry point. Now the entry point is shifted from here to here. So now this whole area is a seller's area. Again when market cross this level, sellers will enter.
তারপর বলবে এইটা,
You
তারপর
can
বলবে
see
এইটা, এই যে চেঞ্জ করতেছে দেখছেন?
in uptrend, sellers always change
তারপর
their
লাস্টে বলবে
entry
এইটা,
point.
তারপর বলবে এইটা,
When
এই
market
একটা।
cross the previous seller's entry point, again sellers choose one
সে
entry
নিয়ে
point
বুঝাচ্ছেন।
to enter into the market. But we need to take one confirmation to enter with sellers in 5-second confirmation. So I will show you in 5-second confirmation. Now they changed their level from here to here. They changed their entry point from here to here. When market again crossed this level, again sellers entered from this level. So again when market cross this level, again they will change their entry point. Always they change their entry point. You can see. So again they changed. They entered above from previous entry point. Always they entered above from previous entry point. You can see the market is moving like this. So the market is moving like this. Sellers entered, push down, again enter, push down, enter, push down, enter. So the market is moving like this. Again the market must go up and sellers enter up above the level. But here the market is not following this trend. The actual trend is here like this. Actually the market will reverse from this level and goes up, but it didn't go up. It reversed from this level. It break this pattern here. It means the uptrend is completed here. Now market is going from this level, going down from this level, because the market is not following the previous trend. This is actual trend. The market is moving like this, but you can observe here, it break this level. It means the uptrend is completed. So always the sellers or buyers changed their entry point every time. When market cross previous level, please send meeting ID. Just wait. Just hold on. Okay, I will explain again. In downtrend or uptrend, buyers always change their entry point. When market cross this level, you need confirmation to enter with buyers. Okay, just wait. So you can see here, this is the pattern. This is the pattern. The buyers must enter here, but it break this level. It means buyers are not interested at this area. This is the pattern. When again market break this previous line, buyers will enter. Buyers will enter, but buyers did not enter here. So always when market cross the previous entry point, always sellers will enter. So now I'm again explaining. This is previous seller's entry point. You can see sellers entered from this level. Again when market come to this level, sellers entered. And again market crossed this level, sellers entered. Sellers shifted their entry point from here to here. Sellers always changed their sellers will always change their entry point when market goes up. When in uptrend, sellers always change entry point. If you have confirmation, if you get one confirmation in 5 seconds, you can also enter with sellers. When market cross the previous seller's entry point, again sellers will enter. Sellers always change their entry point. They always change their entry point. So they will shift their entry point every time. So they will choose the entry point. When market cross this level, it means sellers will enter. If you see the market cross this level, you need one confirmation to enter with sellers. Sellers always change their entry point. In downtrend, buyers always change their entry point. You can see this is now seller's point. Again, sellers change their entry point from here to here. Okay. Now this whole area is a seller's area. Okay, I will explain here. So they changed their entry point from here to here. Now they changed their entry point from here to here. Now this whole area is a seller's area. Again they changed their entry point from here to here. So now this area is a seller's area. So again they changed their entry point from here to here. This whole area is a seller's area. When market come to this level, sellers will enter. When market come to this level, sellers will enter. When market break this level, sellers will enter. You need confirmation to enter with sellers. You can trade against the trend if you know the seller's entry. Now the seller's entry is here. They shifted their seller's entry from here to here. So now this whole area is now seller's area. But you can see the market is not following this trend. The market actually I will draw here. Okay. So this is the actual trend. The market must go up from this level and they must change their entry point from above this level, above this previous entry point. But it did not follow this level.
Hello, bro. I have a question.
Yes, who is this?
I'm Imran.
Yes, Amran.
Bro, this was a resistance, right? This line.
Yes, yes,
And buyers broke that level, but seller didn't enter. In this
yes,
candle,
yes.
seller should enter here, right? After breaking
No,
this
no,
level.
no, no, no. Sellers will enter, but we need confirmation. We need confirmation to enter with sellers. You can see here, I will explain just wait. So this level, when market crossed this level, sellers entered, right? Again sellers
Yes.
entered, again sellers entered, again sellers entered. But sellers not interested to enter here.
Okay.
We need, if we get confirmation in 5 seconds, we can enter with sellers. Okay. If we get on confirmation here, we can enter with sellers. So this is the previous resistance level. This candle break this level, right?
Yeah.
This candle break this level. The sellers entered from this level, right?
Yeah.
You are seeing the sellers entered from this level. Now the level is here, not here, right? They shifted their level.
Yeah.
They shifted their level. Now you need to choose this level as a seller's point. Okay.
Okay.
So again, when market crossed this level, sellers entered from this level. So this whole area is now the whole area is sellers area. Again, when market come to this level, the candle close below this level, you can enter with confirmation. But this candle break this level. It means again sellers will enter because always sellers change their entry point, right?
Yes.
So sellers choose this entry point. When market cross again, sellers choose another entry point to enter, right? They shifted from here to here their entry point. Now this area is a seller's entry point. So you can choose this whole area as a seller's point, but now this is the original seller's entry point. When again market cross this level, sellers will enter. But you can see, you can observe the market is moving like this, right? But
Yeah.
the market must goes up from this level. Thus, buyers must enter here, but buyers did not enter. They they did not show their interest to enter here. It means the uptrend is completed here. Okay, this this trend, this strong bearish movement break this level. The market did not following the market did not follow the trend, the previous trend. It means uptrend is completed. Now downtrend started because of this strong bearish movement. You can see strong bearish movement. That's why it break this level. So 1 minute. Please mute other friends. Okay. Okay. Now you can see in uptrend, or in downtrend, buyers and sellers always choose their entry point. They shift their entry point because I will explain here. This one is now seller's entry point. When market cross this level, sellers will enter because this price is higher than this previous price. So when market goes up, sellers will enter. When price goes down, buyers will enter. Buyers will buy their stuff, their asset at the lowest point. Seller seller sells seller sells their asset at highest point. This is the reason behind it. When price goes up, sellers will enter. But we don't know where they enter, from where they enter. But we need confirmation to enter with sellers. When price goes up, when price cross the previous seller's entry point, it means sellers will enter at any time. We need confirmation to enter with sellers. I'll show you. So this is the seller's entry point now. You can see the strong rejection from sellers. Again, after this strong rejection, sellers entered. So we can consider this as a seller's entry. Again, when market come to this level, sellers entered. This is the confirmation. Again, when market cross this level, again sellers entered. Again, when market cross this level, just wait. Again, when market cross this level, sellers entered. So sellers always change their entry point. We need confirmation to enter with sellers. We need confirmation in the 5 seconds to enter with sellers. Sellers always change their entry point. When market cross this level, it means sellers will enter. We need sellers confirmation. We need sellers confirmation to enter. Okay. So, okay, you can see this is very strong candle. So we got a confirmation here, but not in first 30 minutes, not in first 30 seconds. So we can enter. Okay, this is not strong confirmation. Okay, again they changed their entry point from here to here. So again they change. Always they change their entry point from when market cross this level, they change their entry point. Okay, this is strong confirmation. You can enter with this strong confirmation. So they shifted their entry point from here to here. Again they shifted. When market crossed this level, again sellers entered. So when market goes up, sellers will always change their entry point from one place to another place. In downtrend also. So you can see this is the buyer's entry point now. When market come to this level, buyers entered. Again when market cross this level, buyers entered. So again when market cross this level, again buyers entered. You may think this is the fake breakout. Because this is a fake breakout because it happened because of the entry point. Seller because buyers changed their entry point.
Next level কি আবার buyer entry করবে।
That's why the fake breakout happened here. You may think this is the real breakout, but this is not real breakout. In downtrend, buyers always change their entry point. That's why the fake breakouts happen. You need to know the reason behind the fake breakout. Again, you are seeing a fake breakout here. These all are fake breakouts. Always buyers and sellers always change their entry point. When market cross the previous entry point, buyers will enter. Buyers entered from this level because already this is the area. Buyers choose this entry point. This is the pattern. Okay.
দাঁড়াবে সব কিছুই লাগে সাইকোলজিতে বাদ দেওয়া নেই ক্যান্ডেলের ক্যান্ডেলের জ্ঞান থাকলে অনেক ক্যান্ডেলের জ্ঞান তো লাগেই পাশাপাশি এগুলো
ক্যান্ডেলের জ্ঞান হলে তো স্ট্রং এরিয়া যদি ক্যান্ডেলের জ্ঞান
So this is actual pattern. So the market must touch this level and reverse and mid. So this is actual pattern. So it reversed from this level. The market again touch this level and reverse. The market must touch this level and reverse and come to same level. It must come to same level, but it didn't come to same level because the downtrend is completed here. The market break this level, right? This is support, this is resistance, this is support level. The market break this level. It means the downtrend is completed here. The market is not following the trend. This is the trend. The market is moving like this, but it did not follow the trend. So in downtrend or uptrend, buyers and sellers always choose their entry point. You may think this is very strong candle. You may think this is very strong candle. Even this is very strong candle, it will reverse because the market crossed the seller's entry point. The market crossed the previous seller's entry point, and there is a level 2. So the market always change their entry point. Buyers always change their entry point. When market cross the previous buyer's entry point, buyers will again enter. But we need confirmation to enter with buyers. If we get one confirmation, we can enter. Here you can see the confirmation candles here. Again, when market cross, again you can see the buyer's entry here. Again, when market cross, you can see strong buyer's entry here. Okay, the strong candle, but you can't take this as a confirmation. Okay, this is the rejection. No confirmation here because the market is not good here. You can see the dashes. But if you get confirmation, you can enter. There is no confirmation here because the market is not good. If you get confirmation, you can enter. If you can't get any confirmation, it's better to avoid to trade on this area. So buyers and sellers always change their entry point. If you get one good confirmation, or if you get one or two good confirmation, you can enter with buyers in downtrend. You can enter with sellers in uptrend. So when market cross the previous seller's entry point, it means there is a chance to enter sellers. You can see they shifted their level from here to here, and they shifted their level from here to here. So now this is the sellers area. Again they changed. Again they changed their entry point from here to here. So this is the last entry point, and this is the trend. So this is the trend. The market break this trend. The market is not following the trend here. The market break this trend. It means the down uptrend is completed here. Actually, the market must go from this level. Right? So this is the pattern here. The market is moving like this. So the market must touch this level, and the market must reverse from this level and goes more up. The sellers must change their level, change their entry point from here to here. But you can see here the market did not reverse from this area, and instead of the market break this level. It means the uptrend is completed. Now downtrend started. Now sellers entered. You can now check the buyer's entry point here. Okay, this is very strong seller's entry, so it's better to avoid to identify the buyer's entry here, because sellers entered very strongly, and this is not trend too. This is not trend. This is strong bearish movement. Henry, just wait. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Acha, Henry, yes, tell me.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can we check this place?
Which
This
one?
place.
Show me.
This. Okay.
Yes.
This place.
Okay.
And see whether there is a
This
one.
Okay.
Whether there is a confirmation, because this is an uptrend before this candle forms. By the time this candle is forming, we will not know that this candle is going to form. So if you see a confirmation here for buyers, Let's see whether there is a confirmation.
No, you can't trade when you get if you get one confirmation, you can't trade on this candle, because you can see the market reverse from this level. Again quickly sellers entered, so you can't trade quickly. I already told you, you can't trade quickly on the next candle. So the market reversed from this level, right? So you can
Okay,
see
okay,
the market reversed from this level. So it
okay.
reverses and goes up, and when
Yeah,
on market, if market comes to this level again, you can trade,
yes,
but you can't trade quickly on the next candle. It reversed. If you see the next candle goes down and touch this
yes,
level, you can't trade on the next
yes.
candle, because it may
Okay,
lose your trade.
okay,
I already
okay,
told you, right?
okay,
So
okay.
this is it reversed, and when market goes up and comes to this level, you can trade.
Oh,
It reversed
okay,
quickly, right?
okay,
Sellers enter
okay.
quickly. You can't trade here. Got it?
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay. So if you trade quickly, it may break this level, because the market trying to break this level quickly. Sellers
Yes,
entered quickly, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, just wait. So this is the the reason behind it. The sellers always change their entry point. If you see one good confirmation when market cross this level, if you see one or two good confirmations, you can enter. Okay, you may think this is fake breakout, but this is not fake breakout. Fake breakout happens because of sellers or buyers entry points, because they change their entry point. So you can see here, when market come to this level, sellers entered very strongly, right? Sellers entered very strongly, because sellers are waiting to enter here. Strong sellers, so many sellers are there. You can see the rejections from the same level. Again, this is very strong candle. Again, this is very strong candle. This is very strong candle. This is weak candle. Again, some buyers entered. Again, sellers entered very strongly. So it means there are so many sellers here, and you can see here, when market come to this level, buyers entered very strongly. There is no sellers candle in it. You can see strong buyers entry. So this is the strong buyers entry. Yes, yes. Who is this? Okay, this is strong buyers entry point. When market again come to this level, buyers will enter. Okay, because this is strong buyers entry point. This is strong buyers area. When market again come to this level, buyers will enter. But you need confirmation to enter with buyers. Okay, you need confirmation to enter with buyers. When market come to this level, buyers will enter, because previously the buyers entered very strongly from this level. This is very strong buyers area. So if you see strong buyers area, you can enter with buyers. When market again come to same level, you can enter with buyers. Okay, so you can see here, the buyers entered from this level, but not strongly, but buyers entered from this level. You can see buyers entered, again buyers entered. They entered very strongly at this point. So you can choose this level, but you need confirmation to enter with buyers. If you get one confirmation here, you can trade. You can see the same rejection from the same level, right? You can see this is also a level. The buyers entered very strongly from this area, but buyers entered from this area. But buyers enter strongly from this level. So you can choose this level as a buyers area. When again market come to this level, if you get one confirmation, you can enter. If you get one strong confirmation, you can enter with buyers. So this is very strong sellers entry point. When market come to this level, sellers entered very strongly, right? This is weak candle again. You can see the strong sellers entry. Again, when market come to this level, if you get one confirmation, you can trade. If you get one confirmation, you can trade. But you need confirmation to enter with sellers. You need confirmation to enter with sellers. If you get one confirmation, you can trade. Okay, I will show you here one thing. So this is strong buyers entry point. Buyers entered very strongly from this area. Okay, again buyers entered little. Okay, buyers entered but not strongly. But this is it reversed because of this strong buyers entry. You can see the sellers are very strong. Again, even the sellers strong, it reversed from the same level at least for 1 minute because of the strong buyers area. This is very strong sellers entry point, and this is very strong sellers entry, and this is downtrend. Even this is downtrend, and this is strong sellers entry. It reversed for 1 minute because of these
bro.
sellers. Yes.
I've got one question. Could you please scroll on the right side?
To stand.
Yeah, this is stand a little further. Hang on. It's
This one.
not very sure. Yeah, I can take it from there. On the left.
Okay.
No. I couldn't able to recognize.
Here.
Yeah, here.
Yes.
Okay. Here, 1 second. Here, this area is a buyer's area, so the market it goes up,
Yes.
and here it forms a small candle,
Yeah.
which shows that the buyer's strength is getting weaker now. But
Yeah.
here and then
Okay.
it forms a very strong candle, and thereafter it goes down.
Yes.
So I couldn't able to understand what is the logic behind, because here, if we refer back here, there was a candle. The market was very strong at this moment, but now the market is getting weaker. So the sellers take the control of the market, and it goes down. So this is exceptional, and it is understandable. But at this moment, it is little bit. I couldn't able to.
This is downtrend. This is downtrend, and this is not sellers area, right? You don't know this is sellers area or not. This is not sellers area, and this spinning top worked as a continuation here, continuation of previous bullish entry.
Okay, so that means
This is the continuation. Here, if you see this type of strong candle after small bullish entry, it means it is going to reverse the market. Okay. If you see the strong sellers entry after small series movement, it means it is going to reverse the market. It is ready to reverse the market, right? You can see here.
But what is the logic? What is the logic behind? Because the buyers
knows here, they know the sellers will enter. Okay, they know the sellers will enter because this is downtrend. That's why they buy their stuff quickly, right?
Right.
All buyers purchase their stuff quickly here, right? They are hurried to purchase their stuff.
Okay.
All buyers enter quickly because this is downtrend. If they think sellers will enter, they will purchase quickly here because market is going to reverse. Again, they will sell their stuff here, right?
Yes.
That's why they. Okay, just wait. I will show you here. So this one, 1940. So you can see some sellers entry point, some sellers entry, right? So they are seeing some sellers entry here. It means they think it will go more down. That's why they entered here, right? They entered strongly. All sellers, all buyers entered strongly because they saw the sellers entry here. I think they thought that the market goes more down, and if they enter here, they will get some good profit, right? Because market is going down. That's why they entered quickly here. They entered strongly.
যেভাবে explanation করতেছে, আচ্ছা।
Got it?
Okay, yeah, I get it. Thank you.
Okay. If you see the buyers enter strongly or sellers enter strongly, it means it is ready to reverse the market. Okay. I will show you. Just wait. You can see.
তাহলে
Okay.
এখানে হইলো না কেন? এই যে হয়ে গেল, চলো ছড়াচ্ছে কেন দাদা?
So you can see here also. Okay. Here also the buyers entered very quickly, right?
হ্যাঁ, এটা হইতে
So
পারে
it means
strongly enter
it is going to reverse the
এখানে
market.
সেলারদের এরিয়া ছিল, তারপরের ক্যান্ডেলটা বড় হইছে।
And there is small. Show you one more. So you can
এখন
see here.
কথা হলো
This is small
ভাই,
entry.
তুমি
This is
শিওর
small
হলো কি
bearish entry.
কোনটা রিভার্স করতে যাচ্ছে?
This is strong bearish entry. Got it?
শিওর
This is strong bearish entry. Sellers
বললেও কি আর বলবো?
sellers entered quickly here, right?
কনফার্মেশন
They entered quickly because they may think
সেকেন্ড কনফার্মেশন নিলে এন্ট্রি পয়েন্ট এনে
the market will go more down and they will lose
লস করার সম্ভাবনা।
more money. If they enter here,
কারণ তখন তো মুভ
if they
করেই
enter
আসছে,
here or here,
মানে জায়গাটা ব্লক হয়ে
they will sell the stuff with
তারপর আপনি ট্রেড নিচ্ছেন, কিন্তু ওইটার আগে
some
যদি
low
trade
loss. I think if they enter here with $100, they will sell their stuff with
প্রতি ক্যান্ডেল ক্যান্ডেল
$80 here. So they will lose $20. If they wait,
ব্যাটা সেটা
the
শিখা
market will go more down and they will lose more money. That's why they sell their stuff
কোনো
hurry.
কনফার্মেশন খোঁজে না।
They sell their stuff quickly here, right? If you see the market goes more down quickly, it means it is going to reverse the market. So I already told you the strong candle will reverse the market. 70% of the time it will reverse the market. Got it? Hello?
Yeah, I get it. Thank you. I get it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Stand right.
Yes.
Okay, if you see, okay, we'll switch.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, bro. I'm Maninder.
Yes.
Actually, how can we? Most of the spinning candles are reversing candle, but how can we find some spinning top is a continuation candle?
Spinning top.
Some spinning top are going to continuation the trend. How can we find that?
Okay, just wait. I will show you.
Okay.
If you see the spinning top in the middle of the trend like this, okay, this is strong bearish movement. This is spinning top. It is continue. Okay. If you see the spinning top at the support or resistance levels, it means it will reverse the market. Okay, there are more chances to reverse the market. Sometimes it will continue at the support and resistance levels too. Okay, but if you see, you can see this is strong bearish entry. Okay, you are seeing the spinning top here and here. It is continuous candle here, right? Because this is middle of the trend. This is not sellers area, right? This is not sellers area. This is not buyers area, and this is also a buyers area, but it reversed because this is not strong area. Okay, if this is a strong support level, it will reverse the market. Got it? If this is strong support area, it will reverse the market.
Yeah, at the place it's a strong support now.
Yes,
trend is reverse from this side.
yes. If you see this type of candle at the strong level, like this, if you see the spinning top candle
Yes.
here, you can go with reversal.
Yeah, it will be continuous. Next candle will be red one.
This one,
Yes, this is our strong resistance. At the same time, the trend is continuous. Next one is also
can you
red
show
candle now.
me here?
Yeah.
Which one? Which one?
Wait a minute. The same place. Same place.
This one.
Yes. This is a resistance, right?
This is a support level.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
is support, right?
Okay.
Okay, this is support, but you don't know how the strong the support level is, right?
Okay.
If this would be a strong support level, it will reverse the market.
And one more thing, this
The
is an
sign of the
uptrend also now. And one more thing, this is an uptrend.
right.
Uptrend. This is in this situation, everyone will be make a call in this place.
Yes, yes,
In this place, but it will be not responding for call. It will be going more down.
yes. The reason is I will explain you. You can see the market already trying to break this level and reverse, right? It already tried. So it means I already explained yesterday, when market is trying to break this level, it means it may break this level. Don't trade on the second time. I already told you, right?
Okay.
Don't trade on the second time. Trade on the first time. At the first time, at the second time, it may break this level. There is a chance to break this level. And here you can see there are only some sellers. There is no buyer's candle here, right? It means the sellers enter strongly to break this level, and you don't know the level is strong or not. If the level is strong or not, you don't know. If this would be a strong level, again it will reverse at the second time also. Okay, but it's better to trade on the first time, but not good to trade on the second time, because second time market will can break the resistance level, support level. If you want to trade here on the strong level, you need to wait for the breakout. After breakout, you can trade. You can choose this level as a resistance level. Okay. If it would be a strong level, it will again reverse, because this is the indication of reversal. Okay.
How can we find trend is going to reversal? Reversal. How can we find the just little bit there here?
I can't get you.
Actually, some places trends are reversal now. Going to uptrend, at the same time suddenly it will be falling to reverse trend. Is it any possible to identify trend is going to be reversal?
Weak trend. If you see the buyers are becoming weak, it means it is going to reverse the market. If you see the buyers entered very strongly in 1 minute, it means it is going to reverse the market. Okay, just wait, I will show you.
ও জানতে যাচ্ছে সেই ক্যান্ডেলিস্টিক সাইকোলজি সম্পর্কে, যে ট্রেন্ডের কোন জায়গায় গিয়ে আমি বুঝবো যে
So you
মার্কেটটা
can see here the buyers are becoming
মার্কেটে তো হাজার হাজার
weak step by step, right? You can see this is smaller than this is smaller than this candle, again this is smaller than this candle, again this is smaller than this candle. The buyers are becoming weak, right? It means the market is going to just wait. Okay, the market is going to reverse, right? Because the buyers are becoming weak. Got it?
Yes.
So
This is for up and downs. I am asking about this one is up and down. I am asking about total trend reversal.
total trend reversal.
Yes.
Okay, total trend reversal. There are some patterns. I will explain in the future, no problem.
Niloy-ke?
I already explained about some hammer candles and some. Okay, just wait, I will show you. So you can see the pattern here. Okay, reversal pattern.
Evening star, morning star.
So you can see the
Reversal
reversal
pattern.
pattern here, right? This
Then
one,
it's
hanging man. After this confirmation, we can place put option here in the forex trend. Forex, it will go more down from this level. There are some patterns. If you find the patterns, you can trade. Okay, just wait. So this is also a pattern. So this is hammer candle. So these are some patterns I will explain in the future sessions. For forex, you are asking, right?
Yes. For 5, no, I'm asking for 15 minutes, 30 minutes trading.
3 minutes, 30 minutes trend.
Yes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes trading. This one is trend. If we find a trend reversal means we can.
Okay, you can switch to 30 minutes chart and then find one strong level and you can trade on the level, okay, with confirmation. So this is not a problem. You can see, okay, this level is working. It worked. It reversed from the same level. It reversed. It reversed. So this level is working. You can trade on this level with 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, got it?
Yes, yes, bro.
Okay, I'm explaining about 1 minute chart. You can trade on the 30 minute chart too, like this. Okay, I will explain it here. Okay, you can see here. This is seller's entry point. Okay, they choose their entry point just above the level, right? From this level, in market cross sellers entered, but you need confirmation. This is breakout. They entered from above this level. In market cross, they entered here, but you can't trade here. But okay, they change their entry point from here. If again market come to this level, you can enter. Again, they changed their entry point from here to here. Market crossed, sellers entered. Okay, just wait. Okay. Okay, you can see here. Again, when market crossed this level, sellers entered. They changed their entry point from here to here. Again, they changed their entry point from here to here. This is breakout. Okay, this is breakout because it reversed from this level, right? You can identify the breakout like this. If this candle close below the level like this, it is fake breakout. Okay, this is breakout. You can't trade after the breakout. So you can see here, this is seller's entry point. They change their level from here to here. Again they change. In market cross again they change. In market cross again they change. Okay, in market cross again they changed. So they always change their levels. So this is the trend. buyer centric trend ఇది. So this is the trend. The sellers again enter from this level. Okay, this is the trend. The market is following the trend. So you can choose these levels as a buyers sellers prefer.
Okay, bro. Actually, I am asking for when any point it touches, trend is reversal more down, down, down now. For example, it will be a good result for FX. If we find anything good reversal point, suddenly means in FX we will getting a good profit. Is it possible to find a solution for that to make a trade with FX?
Okay, just wait, I'll explain. So you can see this is the trend, right? I already explained this. Just wait. Some spinning tops or continue the candle. Okay, you can see this is the trend, right? The market break this trend here. It means it is going more down, right? You can trade here with lower option. It will work. Got it?
Okay, fine.
Okay, if market is moving in a trend, if market moving in a trend, when market break the trend, it means it is ready to fall, or it is ready to rise, ready to go more up. Okay, I will show you. Okay, this one also. Okay, I will show you here. Okay. Okay, it didn't reverse here. It means it goes more up, right? So this is the trend. It breaks this trend, it goes more down, right? It will go at least for 2 to 3 minutes. It will go more down. When market break the trend, it means it will go more down. Okay, you can identify the trend with okay, just wait, I will show you one thing here. So you can identify the trend with EMA 20 line. It will help you only in uptrend or downtrend. Here you can see the market is moving in this range. It breaks this level. It means it will go more down. Okay, you can see the market is moving this range, right? I already show you. It breaks this level. It goes more down. In uptrend or downtrend, it will help you to identify the trend. So the market got support from EMA 20 line. Okay, it is reversing, but it did not reverse here. Only in uptrend it will help you. Okay, it's reversing. So it break this level. Okay, it break this level here. Okay, it break this level. So you can identify the trend with EMA 20 line. It will help you to identify trendy market. Okay, this is not trendy market. This is ranging market. Okay.
রিভার্সাল সাইন রিভার্সাল প্যাটার্ন যেটার পরে মার্কেট অনেকটা পিছনে ব্যাক
Are you there, Manikandan Raj?
Yes, yes, bro. Yes, bro.
করছে ওইটার
I got it.
এখন ও একটাই দেখেছে যে
Okay, when market
তাহলে
break any pattern or any trend, it means it is going to down or it is going to up. Okay, it will go more up or it will go more down.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So in any trend, when market break the trend, it means it will go more up or it will go more down. Okay, got it?
Yes.
You can see it didn't reverse here, right? It means it may go more up.
পারেন মার্কেট বুঝতে
Actually, the market will reverse from this trend.
যেভাবে চলে সে
The market must reverse from this level, right? But it didn't reverse. It means it will go more up. You can see the market got support from the same level and reverse. Got it?
Yes, yes, bro.
Okay. You can see when market come to this level, buyers entered very strongly, right? Yes.
Yes, bro.
Okay, please can you explain more on EMA 20, please? Looking interesting. Okay, I will explain about not EMA 5 line. It will help you to trade on every minute. Henry. I will explain tomorrow or day after tomorrow about EMA line, not about EMA 20. You can trade with EMA 5 line or 3 line. Okay, it will help you to trade.
এটা কেমনে প্রত্যেকটা কেমনে ট্রেড করবো তাই দেখেন বাদ দে এগুলো অল্পতেই বোঝা যায় কোশ্চেন বলে
So you can see in uptrend, market got support from the EMA 5 line. So it reversed from the same EMA
এখানে
5
সাপোর্ট
line.
পাইনি এই
From the
এই
same
জায়গা
line.
পাইনি এই জায়গা পাইনি
But
এই
this
জায়গা
is
পাইনি
not
এগুলো
trendy
পাইছে এই
market.
জায়গায়
If you see the trendy market, it will help you to trade. Okay, you can see the market got support from the same level. It will help you to get some good results. Okay, it reversed from the same level. Break even the breakout it reversed. So when market is above the EMA 5, it means it is uptrend. When market is in below the EMA 5, it means it is downtrend. Yes, so this can I explain more about that? I saw one of your videos where you use it. Okay, I will explain you about EMA 5. It will help you, but not today. The today topic is strong buyers and sellers area. Okay, you can see here when market come to this level, buyers entered very strongly. You can see buyers entered very strongly. That's why it reversed. So when you see the strong buyer's entry or strong seller's entry, you can use those levels in the future. It will give you, yes. How can we know whether seller's entry change or from which point sellers are entering in uptrend, buyers in downtrend? I think 1 minute. Amshi,
Yeah,
are you there?
yeah,
Yes, ask me.
yeah. Actually, for example, we are going, we are taking a uptrend. So,
Yeah, I already explained now, right?
yeah, somewhere
About
else,
seller sentiment and buyer sentiment.
yeah. How can we expect, expect or predict the seller sentiment?
Okay, just wait. Okay, this is uptrend, right?
Yeah,
This is uptrend. So sellers choose this entry point, right? Sellers entered from this level. When market cross, it means sellers will enter. There is a chance to enter sellers because this is uptrend, right?
Yeah,
So
that's what
sellers change their entry point from here to here, right? Now the seller's entry point is here. This whole area is a seller's area. Okay.
yeah, that is fine. 1 second.
Okay.
And this is uptrend, right?
Yes.
And here previously a seller entered here. And they change to enter point is here. Again,
Okay.
if you consider this as a downtrend, for example, here buyers,
Okay.
again here we are seeing again seller. So how can we expect this?
Can you speak loudly? I can't hear your voice.
Yeah, in this case we are sellers are here in previous stage. Okay, and they change to entry point here. So
Yes.
as it is uptrend, how can we know whether sellers are going to enter in the second place? I mean, different entry or same entry? You can
They will enter on the same level. Okay, I will just wait. I will explain. Sellers enter from same level
Yeah.
again. Okay, they may enter, but they will enter surely when market cross the seller's entry point.
Okay.
When market cross the seller's entry points, it means sellers will definitely enter, but we don't know from where they enter. But we need confirmation to enter with sellers. Okay. Now the sellers area is here, right? This whole area is sellers area. When market come to this level, sellers will enter, but you need confirmation. Okay.
Okay.
You need confirmation. But when market cross this level, sellers will definitely enter.
Okay.
Okay, this is a seller's area. Sellers may enter from this level, but they will surely enter when market cross this level. But we don't know from where they enter, but we need confirmation to enter with sellers. Okay, they changed their entry point from here to here, right? This is now the seller's entry point, but we are seeing the seller's candle from here, right? So this is also a seller's entry point. So now this whole area is a seller's area. When market come to this level, if you get one good confirmation, 1 or 2 good confirmations, you can enter. Okay, they changed again their entry point. Now this is the seller's area. You can see the seller's entry because of this area. Okay, again they changed their entry point. Okay, from here to here. So again when market cross, they change their entry point. Again market cross, they change their entry point, right? Again the market cross, they change the entry point.
Here in this case, we are seeing other sellers, and suddenly we are seeing buyers. Again, sellers enter here. So can we treat this in a whole area as a seller's area or buyer's area? As it is after.
Yes.
So how can we expect this?
Actually, can't get your question. I can't hear your voice clearly.
So we are actually in uptrend, right?
Oh, this is uptrend, right?
Yeah, okay. And suddenly sellers enter here.
Okay.
And sellers are continuing their power swing here. And here we have got a rejection. So can you treat this as a buyer entry?
This is the buyer's entry, but I'm explaining about only seller's entry in uptrend.
And after buyer's entry, again we are able to see it is a seller here.
Yes.
So I'm asking after buyers are there, again some sellers are entered here. So
Yes, they are interested to enter.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yes, in uptrend there are some sellers. Sellers will enter, but I am explaining about seller's entry point, right? Seller's entry point to trade. Okay, I am not explaining about this. I am explaining only about seller's entry point to trade to give you some good winning ratio. Got it? Okay. If you want, I will explain you clearly in Telugu. Okay, don't worry. Okay, who is this? Okay, I am explaining only about seller's entry point. if you enter with sellers, you will get some good winning ratio. You will get some good winning trades. That's why I am explaining this logic. So when market cross, it means sellers will enter, but we don't know from where they enter, but we need confirmation to enter with sellers. Okay, most of the time sellers will enter. You can see this is sellers entry point. Now again they changed their entry point from here to here. There is no sellers entry. We are not seeing any strong rejections in these candles. Okay, again we are seeing the sellers here. It means when market again cross this level, sellers will enter. Okay, because we are seeing the sellers here. This is strong buyers entry. Okay, you are seeing this is buyer center, again seller center, buyer center, seller center, buyer center, seller center. But you can see here, you can observe this strong bullish movement. There is no seller's entry, right? There is no seller's candle here. It means it is going up. You can't trade here. So, and one thing, if you see one strong, okay, one strong seller's entry like this or like this, it means again when market come to this level, it will reverse. But you need confirmation to enter with buyers or sellers. You can see here. So this is the point. This is sellers area. This is buyers area. Buyers entered very strongly. Again buyers entered from same level. Okay, this whole area. Okay, so you can see here buyers entered from this level. Okay, buyers entered from this level very strongly, but we are seeing the buyers entry from this level. Okay, this whole area is a strong buyers entry place. Again reverse from the same level because the buyers entered very strongly, right? In market come to this level, buyers will enter, but you need confirmation. You can trade against the trend, it's not a problem. Only at strong buyers area and strong sellers area. At strong sellers area, at strong buyers area, you can trade. Okay, it will give you some good winning ratio. Okay, this is strong sellers entry point. Sellers entered very strongly from this level. There is no bullish candle here. So again when market come to this level, it reversed because of this strong bearish entry. Because this is very strong bearish entry. You can see here also sellers entered very strongly. The market is this is very strong bullish movement. Even there are strong buyers, the sellers entered very strongly from this area. It means this is very strong sellers area. It will reverse when market come to this level. It will reverse at least for 1 minute, but you need confirmation. You can see the rejection. Again sellers entered very strongly from this level. It means there are still some sellers who are interested to enter into the market. So again sellers entered. You can see there are strong sellers. You can see there are strong sellers. You can see there are no strong sellers. There are some sellers. There are some sellers entry from this level. So that's why it break this level. And this is very strong candle too. Buyers entered very strongly. Still buyers are active in this session. That's why it break this level. So if you see any strong bullish, if you see any strong bullish entry or buyer's entry, bullish entry or bearish entry, you can choose the levels. It will work, but you need confirmation. If you get one confirmation, you can trade on this level. But if you don't get any confirmation, it will not work. You need to enter with confirmation only. Okay, when strong seller's entry, buyer's entry place, it will work. But enter with confirmation, it will give you some good winning ratio. If you enter with confirmation, most of the time it will reverse, but if you enter with confirmation, it will give you some good winning ratio. Okay, you can see sellers entered very strongly from this area, because previously the sellers entered very strongly from this area. You can see the strong candle, the strong seller's entry. So if you get one confirmation at the same level, you can trade against the trend. It's not a problem. It will also give you some good winning ratio. And I told you, the sellers will always change their entry point. If you get one or two strong sellers entry candles, you can trade with sellers. Okay, you can trade with sellers here and here also. You can trade against the trend, it's not a problem, but only in uptrend or downtrend, not in ranging market. If you want to trade in ranging market, okay, just wait. If you want to trade in ranging market, you can choose these levels. You can draw the levels, and when market come to this level, you can trade with confirmation, and when market come to this level, you can trade with confirmation, because this is ranging, this is in ranging, so it will reverse. But you can't trade here. The market, the candle must close at the level, the candle must close at the level, then you can trade. You can see this is the breakout candle, right? This is also a breakout candle. You can't trade here. You can trade here, 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 and here also you can trade. In the ranging market, you can trade against the trend, it's not a problem, but always trade with confirmation. If you have some good experience, if you have some good knowledge on it, then you can trade without confirmation. You can trade, you can see the rejection in the live candle also. Okay, I will show you, just wait. So you can see the seller's entry and buyer's pressure here, the rejection from buyers. So you can see the confirmation candle in the live candle also, but you need some good experience to identify the confirmation in the 1 minute candle. Okay, I will show you here. So because this is strong level, this is in ranging market, and market is following, the market is moving in this range.
বেশিরভাগ সময় এই জায়গা থেকে আসছে না, এই
Okay, you can see the rejection from sellers entry in this
এটাও
candle.
এরিয়া, কিন্তু এরিয়ার বাইরে।
Okay, you can see the seller's entry in this candle. So this rejection, you can identify the rejection in the 1 minute candle also, but you need experience to identify the 5-second confirmation in the 1 minute candle. Okay, you need experience. If you practice well on demo account, you will get some good experience, then you can easily identify the strong rejection in the 5-second. You no need to see the 5-second confirmation in 5-second chart. You can identify the 5-second confirmation in the 1 minute candle too. Okay, but you need some good experience. To get experience, you must practice on demo account. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Hello, are you there? Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
I have one question. You
Yes.
said that in ranging market there is a way of trading, and in uptrend or downtrend we need to follow something else. Can you just repeat that bit?
Which one, an uptrend or downtrend? Seller's entry and buyer's entry point?
In ranging market, what is the difference between entry point in ranging market and on a uptrending market?
In the ranging market, sellers always choose one entry point. This is the fixed entry point. Okay, they entered here, again they entered at the same area, again they entered at the same area, again they entered at the same area. There is no difference, right? This whole area is the seller's area. But in uptrend, sellers always change their entry point. Okay, they will not enter at the same point. They will enter at the same point, but they will surely enter when market cross. When market cross the previous entry point, they will enter above the previous entry point. Okay, but you need confirmation. The sellers always change their entry point. Okay, you can see here, just wait. So you can see here, this is the previous seller's entry point. Now the seller's entry point is here. Sellers shifted their entry point from here to here. Got it?
Yeah.
Now this whole area is a seller's area. Okay, when market come to this level, sellers will enter. But when market cross this level, sellers will definitely enter. Okay, sellers will definitely enter. Market cross this level, sellers will definitely enter. But you need confirmation. But in ranging market, sellers or buyers choose only one entry point. This is the buyer's entry point. This is the seller's entry point. Got it? They are entering at the same level, right? At the same pricing point. At the same point. Buyers are entering at the same point, right?
Yeah.
So in ranging market, you no need to shift the level, right? Like in uptrend, you always shift the levels according to seller's entry, right? You always shift the market, but you no need to shift the market here. You no need to shift the entry point here. Their entry point is same every time, right?
এটা এরিয়া এই দেখেন ভিতরে করেনি এই
Got
এরিয়া
it?
এই এরিয়ার উপরে ক্লোজ করছে না
Okay,
তারপরে
anyone have
কিন্তু
any questions?
আবার সেলার্স
No, sir.
Okay. Imran?
Yeah,
Yes,
bro, how
Imran?
many time I should trust a ranging market on the same level?
Okay, just wait, I will explain. Okay.
This level
Start.
has been used for 3 times, like this,
Yes.
this, and this,
Yes.
and 4th time also.
Yes.
So how many time I should trust a level on a ranging market to take a trade?
You can trade every time. Okay, it's not a problem. You can see the market is moving like this, right? The market is moving in this range. When again market come to this level, and when market come to this level, you can trade here with confirmation. But you can see the buyers entered quickly on the next candle. You can see after this candle, there is no sellers, only buyers entry, right? It means
Yeah.
it is going to break this level.
Okay.
It reverse quickly, right?
Yeah.
If it would come to this level and it would come to this level again, you can trade here. You can trust this level, no problem. But enter with confirmation. Always confirmation.
Okay. If after this candle, sellers go more down, then
Which
again,
one?
if this candle, bro, if after this
Okay.
candle,
Yes.
if
Yes.
seller goes more down, then
Okay.
buyers come back, and I will
Okay.
take another trade for lower option. If it again
Here
came
at
back
this
to the
area,
resistance line, yeah.
yes, you can trade
Okay.
because the market is still in ranging market, right? But
Okay.
here the market is not in ranging market. It break this level, break this ranging market, right?
Okay.
So if market comes down from this level and reverse from this level, and when market come to this level, you can trade here with lower option with good confirmation. Okay. Now
Okay.
but here there is no seller's candle. Instead of seller's candle, buyers entered, right? And this is very strong bullish candle. It
And
breaks
the
this level.
next candle is a hanging man, red hanging man. It is because maybe this level, it was a
Yes,
seller's level, and buyers broke that level, and then sellers again entered.
yes, I already told you.
Okay.
Sellers or buyers always change their entry point. Okay, I will just wait. So you can see this is now a seller's entry point, right? This is
Okay.
now a seller's entry point. Again, they shifted their entry point from here to here. Now this whole area is a seller's area, right? This whole
Yeah.
area is seller's area. Again, they shifted their entry point from here to here. Now this is the seller's entry point, right?
Okay.
They shifted from here to here. Again, they shifted their entry point from here to here. Got it? So the sellers entered because of the seller's entry point, right?
Yeah.
This candle crossed this seller's entry point. Okay, that's why sellers entered. But if you get one confirmation, you can trade. Okay, again they changed their entry point from here to here. Now this area is a seller's entry point, right? So this
Bro,
this candle breaks.
if this red candle touch this support line and got a rejection, then we can trade for a call option here.
This candle or this candle?
This candle, bro, this candle.
No. You can't trade quickly on the next candle. I already told you, if this would be a fake breakout because of the seller's entry, it will close here, right?
Yeah.
It will close here like this. You can see, if it would be a fake breakout, it will close here.
Okay.
Okay, you can't trade here. Even if you get one confirmation, it will break this level and close here sometimes. Okay,
Okay.
you
Okay.
can't trade here. I already explained about fake breakouts. If it would be a fake breakout, okay, just wait. I will explain. Okay, you may think this is a level, right?
Yeah.
This is a level. It breaks this level. You may think it will go more up, right? Because this is very strong candle. It breaks this previous level, right? But it reversed because sellers and changed their entry point, right?
Yeah.
When market cross this level, when market cross previous seller's entry point in uptrend, sellers will enter. I already told you, this is fake breakout. You can't trade here. Even if you get one confirmation on this level, you can't trade. Okay, it
Okay.
may break this level because this is fake breakout. So similarly, if it would be a fake breakout, it will close here, right? That would be your last trade.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, bro, got it.
So you can't trade quickly on the next candle. If you want to trade on the same level again, you need to wait for the market at least for 5 minutes or more. And when market again come to this level, you can trade in the direction of the trend. This is uptrend. You can trade here with confirmation, but you can't trade here quickly on the next candle. It may close like this sometime. Okay,
Okay.
then you will lose your trade. You can't trade quickly. You can trade here. Okay, because the market goes up and down. It goes at least for 4 minutes. Then so you can trade here. You can't
Okay.
trade on the next
On
candle.
this candle, I can trade for a call option with a rejection.
Yes, you can trade.
Okay.
You can trade if this would be a strong level. Okay,
Okay.
but I am explaining here only about this ranging market. In ranging market, you can trade against the trend. It will work, but trade with confirmation. Always trade with confirmation. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Okay. Do you have any questions? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, Vamshi.
కొంచెం సార్
Okay, Manikandan Raj. Hello. Yes. Do you have any questions?
No, bro. Tomorrow, what's the topic?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow I will explain about some important candlesticks and their behavior. Okay. I will explain about in the future. I will explain about candlestick analysis. Okay. This way you can trade. It will also give you some good winning ratio, and it will also help you to identify the next candle. Okay, because you know this is the level. When market cross, you can trade here, right? So I am trading like this. I know when market cross this level, this is very strong candle. Strong candle means reversal candlestick. I already told you, strong candles will always reverse the market. Most of the time it will reverse the market, right? And this is seller's area, this is seller's entry point. When market cross this level, I will place put option here, because the strong candle will reverse the market and sellers will change their entry point. That's why I will trade without any confirmation. Got it? So you can also trade like this, but if you practice it on demo account, then you will get some good idea. Okay, you can also trade with these points. Got it? Okay, do you have any questions now? Imran?
No, bro, I don't have any question.
Okay, practice well on demo account. You will get some good idea. Okay. If you have any questions, you can contact me. I will explain again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone is there to ask me questions? Okay, we will continue our class from tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Practice well on demo account.
బాయ్ సార్
Okay, bye. Bye everyone.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, Anjit, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
ఓకే అంజిత్, మనం కలుసుకుందాము.
Yeah.
ఒక నిమిషం నేను ఆన్ చేసి నీకు కాల్ చేస్తా. ఓకే,
Okay.
వంశీ నువ్వు కూడా.
ఓకే
ఓకే, బాయ్.
Thank you.